know what's crazy? In the last 15 to 20 years, there's been a huge uptake in superhero media, whether it be movies or comic books or TV shows or cartoons. Growing up in this era, it was all in front of our faces, and myself included, a lot of us grew up wanting to be like our superheroes. We wanted to be super strong, or we wanted to fly, or we wanted to save people. And we're then brought down to earth by this reality that as humans, we can't do any of these things, which is true. But also, we've been hoodwinked into believing that we don't actually have any powers, which is completely untrue. We have the power to love unconditionally, but also infinitely. Now, what's crazy is if you look at someone like Captain America with the super strength, he can fight his way through, most of an army, but at some point he's going to get tired and he's going to lie down and recover, or even lose. We as humans can love, and we don't get tired of loving. And what I mean by that is, I love my parents, I love my brothers, I even love my cat. Someone could come along, and someone I've never met before, and I could make them my partner, and possibly my wife in the future. And I can love them so much. And by doing that, I'm still not compromising the love I have for the people that are already in my life. We can love someone and love more people, and we can keep loving without getting tired or without having to recover, or there's no limit to how much we can love. The older we get, the more people come into our lives that we love, and there are people that leave, but we still love them, and that love is still there and it doesn't go away. And I know it sounds a little bit cheesy and corny, but to be open to love and to love people unconditionally is, it takes a lot of strength. If you look at the media and society in general, there's all these constructs that keep us divided, whether it be on politics or opinions, or there's just so many ways that we can divide humans, and they have divided us, and we're sitting around fighting over issues that aren't that important, when we really could be loving of one another, and actually find strength in that. I'm not claiming to be a super loving person. This is something I'm working on. I'm a very flawed human being, but I take a few moments every day to show love to my fellow human being, whether it be just asking the cashier how their day was, or smiling at someone that you see on the street. I think these little moments of showing love to other people can have a really huge effect on themselves and how they see themselves, and their life in general. And it takes nothing away from yourself. It actually enriches you when you do these things, and being kind to someone actually makes you feel better. And I think people know this, and that's why we do like being kind to other people. So yeah, it doesn't, if anything, it adds to your life, it adds to their life, and it's something we should all aim to do every day. And on that note, I just wanted to say I don't have a meditation video today. I've taken a few days off, but I really do appreciate all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers as well. I love the comments. I read all of your messages, so thank you very much. And I will talk to you really soon. Have a beautiful day.